Hello, Chief.
You see? Where are you now?
Chief, I'm coming. I'm on my way.
Start coming now. I am at the hotel already.
Okay, you're already at the hotel. You see me now. I'm coming.
Okay. Oh yeah now.
I will soon beat someone's child.
Chief,
Easy.
I'm so sorry.
What kept you so long now?
Chief, I'm so sorry. See, it's not that my useless boyfriend.
Okay.
I have to sneak and find my way to come here.
That's your boyfriend?
Yes.
But I sent you 500,000. I said take 300,000 and give the boy 200,000. That if you come today, I will still transfer for you.
Chief, I gave it to him. No, I gave it like that.
Hey! Chief, she did not give me any money. She not give me anything.
God have mercy upon us.
Okay, Chief. Okay. I will give you my account number now. You will send my money to me directly. Stop giving me money through her. I'm a very peaceful person. I don't have issues, no troubles at all. I just do me, scratch my back and scratch your back. We share. You understand? Bring your phone. Relax. Okay. I'm not here for any fight. 0. That's my account number.
Your account number?
Yeah, that's my account number.
Okay.
Send my money to me directly. Babe, we'll see how. Chief. I love you.
Hey, thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
God have mercy.
Calm down, Chief. Sorry for disturbing your peace. Oh yeah, come on the bra.
Between this year and last year, everybody don't crazy, including me. Everybody don't mad. Myself, I didn't, sir.